We're making the most of our warm days in Austria and we decided to go on another hike in the area. The place is called ELFER and it is situated in Neustift in Stubaital. You can easily reach it by bus from Innstruck. You can reach the mountain easily via the Elferbahn cable car from Neustift. The top station is around 1,800 meters and gives direct access to hiking, paragliding and ski touring roads. At the top station of the cable car stands the largest walkable sundial in the Alps. The metal band across the top shows the true solar time, which can differ by around 14 minutes from local time. Surrounded by a 2-meter wide walkway, the sundial also serves as a viewing platform over the entire valley. ELFER literally means the 11 in German. The name comes from the time of the day when the sun stands directly above the peak, so around 11 am, when viewed from Neustift. The ELFER massif actually has 3 main peaks: ELFER, 12er, meaning the 12, and 13er, meaning the 13. We followed a sun-related trail called the Sonnenweg. It's one of the walking time-themed paths at ELFER. As you've probably guessed from the name, the theme is time. You experience it from the scale of a single second through minutes, hours, days, seasons, even up to a full year. The trail is about 1.9 kilometers. It's rated easy and suitable for families. You'll probably see it right away, because it starts right after the sundial. From there, you will walk through larch forests and over mountain pine fields. Along the way are stations or installations made from local natural materials. Each of them focuses on a different unit of time, seconds, hours, up to a year. These installations encourage pauses to enjoy the surroundings. There are also quite a few benches and viewpoints that allow you to rest.
Who is on duty today? We are on duty today. We are hiking on ELFER, or near ELFER. I'm not so good with mountain names. Mr. Austrian boyfriend is going in front of me, and we tried to fly a drone. We have a lot of equipment today because we're testing our new camera, action camera. How do you like the camera? Sehr gut. Okay, the camera is okay, it seems. But I like that it's like stabilized, and for hikes it should be really nice. It's pretty much lightweight. So giving a review while hiking on ELFER. Losing my breath all the time, so I have to stop. I have to stop like after, I don't know, like 50 meters. But the views are amazing, so it's not that bad to stop and see what's around.
At a certain junction, you reach the crossing point of all three trails: sun time, flower time, and stone time. From there, you can continue onto stone time, which is longer and more challenging, or switch to the other trails for different perspectives. Good news is, the trail is open year-round, though obviously conditions may vary. You'll also find huts along the way where you can rest and grab something to eat.
And statement, please. How did you like our hike today? Okay, a bit more eloquent maybe.
It was very okay.
It was not very complicated, even for such a beginner as I am. And there are like a couple of trails that you can choose here. There is one with those sun facts. And you get like different stops with different boards and stuff, like a lot of interactive activities. And once it ended, we found, I think, like the flower way, flower trail. So there were like different fields with flowers, explaining like what kind of flowers these are, but we didn't notice any flowers, so I don't know, maybe it's not the season. Yes, maybe it's in spring or something. And now we're gradually going back. It was like about 2 hours, I think, or 3 hours that we spent to come to the hut. And now we're going back.
We didn't take the same trail back, but instead chose one that started near the hut where we had lunch.
Exposed.
It was a bit unique. The path was covered with a sort of carpet, probably to make it less slippery or something. Hike on Elfer. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe even added this destination to your travel bucket list. So don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.